From cosmetologists to electricians.
We have 38 different programs that we license in Texas.
The Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation helps hold these companies accountable.
There are a lot of folks out there who claim to be things that they are not licensed to do. In some of those cases, it could be your health and safety or your family's health and safety that could be at risk.
Here are the main ways TDLR enforces the rules. A permanent injunction is issued when a company is providing services that it's not licensed for. A cease and desist letter is sent when a company never had any kind of license obtained through TDLR. A license revocation can be executed for a variety of reasons. Companies can usually reapply after a year, except if it's a permanent revocation, worst case scenario.
It's a serious thing to revoke a license. That's taking someone's livelihood away. And so we want to make sure that when we do that, there's cause for it, that there's a good reason. And, you know, if we can get them to do the thing they should be doing, we're going to do that.
TDLR is transparent to consumers who should take advantage. The online Safeguarding Texans list has companies that have recently fallen into one of the categories we just mentioned. And if you'd like to take it a step further, you can also see if companies have been penalized by TDLR in the last couple of years on its administrative orders list. Those can be issued for lesser offenses, usually resulting in some kind of fine.
Maybe they didn't get their license revoked, but they had to pay a penalty because they didn't have paperwork that they needed to have, or they were doing things in their salon that weren't safe or hygienic, and we wrote them up for that.
It's then up to you to weigh the risk.
You need to be really careful about who has access to your house, who has access to your business, who has access to your body. Check the license, and then, you know, go a step further and see, do these folks have a history of having administrative penalties assessed against them, and do I feel okay about that?